stream of Filipinos who passionately love their country and whose values and competencies enable them to realize their full potential and contribute meaningfully to building the nation. As a learner-centered public institution, the Department of Education continuously improves itself to better serve its stakeholders. Adepted mission to protect and promote the right of Filipino to quality, equitable, culture-based, and complete basic education where students learn in a child-friendly, gender-sensitive, safe, and motivating environment. Teachers facilitate learning and constant nurture every learner. Administrator and staff as steward of the institution ensure and enabling the supportive environment for effective learning to happen. Family, community, and other stakeholders are actively engaged. The shared responsibility for developing lifelong learner. Our core values, maka-Diyos, maka-tao, makakalikasan, makabansa.